guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're watching this face for the very first time, then hi, I'm Shrutika and I make videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle and many more. So if you're interested in any of these, then please take some moment and subscribe to my channel below there and help me reach 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. And as soon as that happens, there's gonna be a 1k subscribers giveaway, so get ready for that. And yeah, now without wasting any more time, let's get started with today's video. So guys, in today's video I'll be following Selena Gomez Vogue beauty routine and we'll see how it looks on me. But before that, a disclaimer that the products are gonna be different totally because I don't have the products she has. So yeah, but I am expecting that the results gonna be same. So yeah, let's see how it goes and how celebrity makeups are different from ours. So done with tying my hair back, and now we're gonna start with the very first step. The very first step that she has done is she has applied a moisturizer, obviously. So I'm gonna go with this MCafe Night Gel, which I always use as a moisturizer as well. I'm gonna take a good amount of it and apply it all over my face. It says night gel, but it not necessary that you should apply it only at the night time, as it is a moisturizer. You can apply it any time of the day. Now once the moisturizing is done, after that she has used a sunscreen. So I'm gonna go with this Pond's sunscreen that I have with me right now. So after sunscreen, she has applied foundation. So I'm also gonna go with foundation first. But usually I apply concealer first and then foundation. But as we are following her makeup routine, so we're gonna do as she does. So I'm gonna go with this Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm in the shade 310 Sun Beige. I'm gonna take little bit on the back of my hand. So after foundation, she has applied concealer and she has mixed two different shades of concealer to match her skin tone. So I'm also gonna do that and will apply this two concealer, one that is from Swiss Beauty, the liquid concealer in the shade 02 Sand, and other one that I always use, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand. So at first I'm gonna apply this. And then I'm gonna go with this Swiss Beauty concealer. Actually this shade is a bit light on my skin tone, so I'm gonna apply very little of it, like just right here. And now let's blend them. She has used a brush for blending them and I'm also gonna do the same. After that, she has used a liquid blush and I'm gonna go with this Lakme Weightless Lip and Cheek color, and she has applied them right on the cheekbone. So I'm gonna take that and we'll apply two dots right here and right here. So that's done, and now moving on to the next step, she has applied bronzer. So I'm gonna go with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette and I'm just gonna very lightly dust it off, just the way she has done. on to the eye makeup, and for that, at first for her outer corner she has taken a nude, reddish nude sort of color, and I feel that this is the shade right here is somewhat similar to what she has used. And this is the palette I'm using, is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in the shade 04. So yeah, let's go with this and let's see how it goes. So yeah, that's pretty much about the matte shade, and after that she has applied a shimmery sort of shade, very light golden, with like a tint of golden to it. So I think I should go with this shade right here from this eyeshadow palette, the Maybelline The Nudes eyeshadow palette, very old, and I'm gonna apply that using this brush right here. So I'm gonna take that. This is how it looks, and I feel this is somewhat similar to what she has done. I feel so. You guys let me know in the comments below. And after that she has applied eyeliner, so I'm gonna do that, and I'll be using this Lakme Insta Liner water resistant eyeliner, and for that she has shared a trick which I'm gonna follow and apply. So let's do that. After eyeliner is done, we're gonna go for highlighter. And after that, we're gonna go with the powder like she has gone with, and I'm gonna go with this purple Be Your Own BFF compact with SPF, and will apply just under my eyes a little. After that is done, we're gonna go with the mascara, and I'm gonna obviously use the K Beauty mascara in the shade Midnight. After mascara, she has gone with lipstick, and she has applied a classic red color, and I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna go with this Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. This is in the shade Rioja Red. This is the final look, and I feel it looks very much similar to what her makeup looked like. This is what I feel. So you guys let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and then we'll decide who is right. And also, if you guys want me to create more recreation looks or following somebody's makeup tutorial, then let me know in the comments below. I'd love to make them for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it about today. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, you guys know the drill. Like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and do help me hit 1k subscribers ASAP, as I've already told that a lot of giveaways are waiting for you all. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.